Continues to spread inside the Lansing State Prison. Here are the latest numbers from the Kansas Department of Corrections. 54 staff members and 46 inmates have gotten sick. The legal director for the ACLU says a judge's opinion puts inmates with pre-existing conditions one step closer to being released during this pandemic. The state has until Friday to file a response. Here's KCTV5's Emily Rittman.
The judge's opinion does not end the lawsuit or immediately release anyone who is incarcerated in Kansas facilities. This is just the next step. Views from up above and inside the Lansing Correctional Facility show the aftermath of inmates rioting earlier this month. This is video taken by an inmate at the time.
They give us no health care for this coronavirus. Y'all don't want to give us no health care. Hey, y'all don't want to give us no health care. This is what we do.
What's happening now clearly isn't enough.
The ACLU of Kansas is representing 8 prisoners who are housed at Lansing, Ellsworth, and Topeka correctional facilities. The ACLU argues current conditions violate Eighth Amendment protections against cruel and unusual punishment. They say some of their clients are at very high risk.
He's currently battling liver cancer, and so that puts him at an extreme risk. And on top of that, he had hepatitis C, and has asthma, literally all of the things that make you particularly vulnerable for severe symptoms or death.
The legal director of the ACLU of Kansas, Lauren Bond, says the inmates they represent have reported to them that Lansing staff has threatened residents with solitary confinement and withholding shower access if they report symptoms of COVID-19.
There's a number of people who are rationing soap at a time when, everyone needs to be washing their hands.
Attorneys for the KDOC previously argued the ACLU has not demonstrated that anyone would be safer if they were released from custody, and the public could be at risk if offenders commit additional crimes once released. A spokesperson for the Kansas Department of Corrections says the KDOC and the Kansas Attorney General's office are prepared to respond to the court by Friday. We will continue to follow the latest developments. Reporting from Lansing, Emily Rittman, KCTV5 News.